Damn it, Mom. Fuck. Oh, shit.
Well.
Nice. I think I'm getting the hang of this thing.
Oh, no.
I'm back.
Okay.
Well,
And-
this is being amazing.
Yeah, there was something there I wanted to get. That's why I didn't help.
Ness, you're so gay.
Okay, I'll help now.
I'm shooting.
Okay. We only need one. What?
Okay.
MK. Nice.
Nick. Okay. Thought you were going
Okay,
to die.
buddy.
What?
Here she comes.
Oh wait, we need to shoot someone up there.
Follow me.
Okay, boy.
How convenient.
Wait, what? No, no. Oh,
What
thank
the
God.
hell was? What the hell was?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
With the right analog stick.
Are you talking to your brother?
Yeah, yeah, he's here. So.
Shoot
Oh,
this
my.
one, this one. Okay, now that one. Or just go to this platform, it works too.
Wait, no. You prick.
All right, pal.
Oh,
Ready.
yes. I am the best around.
No,
Nothing's
it's
free.
Of course, sprint, sprint, bitches, sprint. Oh, I died. I say sprint, bitches, and I'm the first one to die. Well,
You
Well,
I'm the best.
you
Rad.
will bitch it all wrong, all along.
Gonna keep me down.
dude, don't. Oh,
Do the yes, do.
I died. Oh no, I didn't die.
Oh, I asked you both, grab it. All I care about
No,
in
fuck
this
you.
game is bolts.
No,
All
fuck
I
you.
want to do is cha-ching, cha-ching.
Bolt all day.
acquired.
What does this do? Oh, now you put teleporter guys in there.
Voltergeist.
That shit.
Yay! Flying high.
Okay, bye.
This shit is full of shit.
Then get to the
Oh, I hate that I hate in this game. The thing that I hate is that there's
How do you lock
sometimes
on to something? I don't remember.
L1.
Oh, it is? I was pressing L to roll one.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, that guy died, you know.
The troll little guy.
Yeah.
Okay, there.
Yeah, it was some time ago.
Oh,
He had some problems already. I don't really know what was a certain case. Oh, screw you and your cancer.
no, but seriously, what he had?
Back in action.
I don't really know. I think
Okay,
he had
sorry.
some. No, I think it was like a problem that he already had for some years, and it simply couldn't take it anymore.
Well, we will always remember.
Yeah, we will. Dude, why
This
did you
is-
kill me? Oh, I didn't.
It is a sad day for the
Well,
internet.
my brother just said he's a fag. And walk through hub is like saying Cami. Vince is saying we need to take that poltergeist here. Go back, back. Oh, dude, you stop being retarded. Come here.
No. Well, okay.
You have to put it on
Oh,
that
okay.
plate.
I didn't throw it. It just disappeared.
Wait for me, please.
You
What?
guys are incompetent.
No, you are incompetent.
We're all incompetent.
Okay, bye.
I just killed Nick.
Where's the thing? Oh.
I'm back with a vengeance. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna get one of you for doing that.
You got a whole stockpile over here.
I
Someday,
don't know
my
who
friends.
it's probably
Someday.
me, Nasty.
Stuff to kill some.
Because he's done that to me the most.
What?
You keep shooting me off the cliff.
It's the best thing to do in this game.
It is. It's so fucking entertaining.
And Nest 2 died.
That's one dead
Well,
squishy.
Nick got like face planted to that thing.
I did.
Money. A politician's favorite word.
Oh shit, enemies
My robotic friend. We do not wish to
I'm the best.
around.
God. Yep.
Some stuff.
Except some stuff.
Except everything.
Such synchronized flapping.
Synchronized fapping.
No. I knew you would do that. Why you do that? Why you ruin my sentence?
No,
I don't
you.
know. I just...
Why? Okay, get out.
I don't know. I
Oh,
just
there are some of those dudes that explode.
If you kill them, they won't.
Penoosh.
No. Shoot at the cores.
I'm doing that.
Okay. What
My
guns
brother
do I have?
died.
What
That
device
one.
the guns I have?
In the with the right analog stick. My brother's dead.
I'm reviving him.
Reviving.
Ah shit. Okay, let's all fire the combustor at him.
Yeah, fire the combustor, bitches.
Keep going.
My combustor is at max ability, I think.
My isn't.
Mine is. I used all the money I have.
Have you guys played what was it, Quest for Ratchet Clank, Quest for Booty?
Yes.
Yeah, I
Is that-
did.
Huh?
Is it good?
It's
Yeah,
short.
it's very short, but it's a fun game.
Yeah, it was like 20 euros, so I guess it even says on the cover, mini adventure.
Yeah, it was like a preparation for Crack in Time. I simply loved Crack in Time. I have the special edition. It's amazing, the game.
I have the platinum.
This? Well, I'm very looking forward to playing it. Duh,
Get
no,
there.
you
Whoa.
prick.
I almost killed Nick.
Almost.
Dude, what? Oh, someone must go there, I suppose. And would then attach to him.
Dude.
No, you can't leave the other one.
Do this.
Stupid button.
Don't simply press the circle, non let go.
Okay,
Now we can go.
Let go.
I am ready.
Dude, nasty, please, nasty, please.
I can't move. I'm stuck. Okay. Oh, look at.
What the hell? Just press triangle, will you?
Wait, my control is all left up. Like it's lagging. I don't know. It's kind of weird. I can't move. This is the only thing I can do.
What?
This.
What?
Can someone like?
Can you jump?
Hop in.
Fear not, Ratchet.
You goddamn prick.
Rise to the first of
Can you nasty? Go press. You can press triangle, can't you? Okay, I'm going to. Oh, yeah, throw nasty off the cliff.
Maybe that'll
Throw it.
debug me.
Okay.
Maybe
that's-
I'm lagging really bad. How do I see the connection?
I don't know.
Hop in.
Press triangle quick before he comes back.
Ready.
Okay, lol.
I require your
Ah, that's so mean.
Quit holding up the gang, Quark.
Did you see? Nasty is always the one who has motor bolts.
Well, yeah, I do. Cause I am rich. Okay,
I don't
where
think.
am I?
I don't think Nasty's going to come back.
Yeah, after the checkpoint, I'll probably come back.
Electric bolts, of course.
That's
And
why I
it's-
always win these things.
Oh,
Bastard.
you suck.
I'm the boss. Boss.
I'm a list. I'm not the noob anymore.
Pacifist, diabolical, king of all evil. Well, that seems legit.
Yep. Totally legit.
So, I don't think... Oh, Nasty, you having lag right now?
No.
Okay.
I guess I was just really bugged. Not really lagging out.
Why is everyone always trying to kill Nick?
Because everyone hates Nick.
It's a new
This-
TV show.
Let's go,
It's a
simply.
controversial version of Everyone Loves Raymond or something.
Have you seen that show? Was it Everyone Hates Chris?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I watched. I used to
isn't
watch-
that the black guy?
Yeah.
Black
Yep.
boy? Whatever.
Oh, that was a funny show.
That's racist.
It was racist. It was so funny.
Shoot to put.
No.
I can't use sprint on this thing. No, I can.
Boo-hoo.
I'm gonna buy a gun. What?
If your alarm box in need of a distraction, try throwing
Those
out a
doppelganger, I
customized
remember.
double banger. It'll draw
Double
fire
You
banger.
guys ever hear of that what you call it? That shit. What is it? The new Dragon Ball Z movie that's coming out.
Yeah. Next year, right?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure. Doppelbanger. Yes, please.
Bitch, please.
I bought my...
Please, I'm on a boat.
Press left, right. Gosh. See any other weapons that you might...
It's not Vasco. It's VV.
VBB 16 Productions. VBB,
Most
just
retarded username ever.
just call him VBB for short. Press, buy that shit, buy the
I'll
globe.
call him Vasco as long as
Buy
I
it.
give a fuck.
Buy it, because it's a
Sony
special
Blaster.
weapon.
Oh yeah, I forgot you have your. Now we have.
The special weapons for each
Yeah.
one of us.
How do I
It's
get that?
You already have yours, it's like a protection or whatever. It's the quantum collector or whatever. Press triangle, let's go. Oh, cutscene time, I think.
Shoot to put.
Isn't it? I think it was like a cutscene timer on these guys.
Where's my?
I haven't had anything to eat since we
Dude.
split that old shoe last
Probably in the second screen.
night for me, little
No, I only have this. Maybe I have to buy it.
trust me.
Oh, we're not supposed to have this already. Or are we?
Oh yeah, we're not supposed to have that thing already. You already have it. Screw you, Nasty. Dude, you're not supposed to go that way yet.
What?
Fucking.
Holy shit.
Do this.
That scared me.
Sorry.
Nick's angry. Nick's hungry. Dude, come on here.
Hold on. What?
Holy crap.
I'm scared.
Me too.
Nasty, stop it. It's the cloaker.
Initiate invisibility cloak.
I can stop time.
I must rearm.
Okay, whatever. Nasty, stop that. I don't know, he was like, damn it!
Trust me.
Fool.
What? Nasty, stop.
No.
Look, can we talk about this?
Bon voyage.
He died now.
Quit holding up the
No, you-
gang, Quark.
Quit screwing around, Quark.
You know that you're losing all your bolts by doing that, don't you?
No. What man place? Where's Nick?
President Pork is back in the game. Let's do this.
Nest to why?
President Pork is back in the game.
Hop in.
Trust me.
Nick, please. Why Nick?
I don't know. Nick ran away. He was like, what? Rage mode.
True.
Now, where to find?
Do not forget to calculate trajectory.
Sorry it took so long.
No
Nick,
problem.
you scary.
President
What's
Pork
up?
is
Like,
back in the
we
game.
heard you screaming or something like.
What? Rage mode.
Yeah, that just happens. It's not like I'm true. I'm sorry. It's just my fucking sister.
Don't we have like a cutscene with these
I thought
guys?
you had your. Wait, you have a sister and a brother?
Yep.
Do this.
Double trouble.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
And
I'm dead.
focused out of all of them.
Come rescue me. If I die, we all lose. I'm dead, dudes. I'm dead.
Dude, he killed me. What can I do? Dude,
Press
help.
circle. Okay.
Holy shit.
I appreciate
Wait,
the assistance.
one left. Okay, that was a close call. No, you're not.
Botman place.
Did you guys hear what my brother said?
No.
What?
He said he was the king of the world, and I said, fuck that.
He's the king of all fags.
Okay. Nesty says you're the king of fags.
Do I have to declare
He says you're gay, Nesty.
I can hear him.
Oh, now you can.
Runway.
When someone
Yeah,
mentions
being a
gay
bit-
and your name at the same time, you always notice, don't you, Nesty?
Fuck you.
that grandma ain't just
He's king of being a bitch.
Come on. We gotta
I'm just
save him.
kidding.
I can hear some game.
Yeah, it must be Nick's.
Yeah,
We do not wish to fight.
it's always me.
XD.
Nick's on a boat, after all.
I am on a boat, living that life.
Guys, after next checkpoint, I need to stop recording because my mom's calling to dinner.
Let's
All right.
You mean like, Nick press triangle.
Dr. Nefarious,
Vais
will
por
you
balhão.
assist me?
Sinto café. Cristo vão peda. Isso é o rave, tu me passas lá contigo.
Dude, why are you talking Portuguese?
Sorry. Okay, I'll stop now.
Who could be talking Portuguese? Nick's American. He's American, so he's all the one. He's always the one to blame, you know.
Amurica.
Yep. That's
When
how it
something
usually
bad
ends
happens
up
to you, Americans.
Oh, he's a fucking American.
Yep.
He fucking sucks big dick.
You know it.
That's how it usually ends up working out. God damn it, hold on. No, he went to religion.
let's do this.
Dude,
Fucking all the time. Can't stand it.
What?
Sister.
What she's doing?
She's just like fucking barges.
how old is your sister?
She's 12.
Okay, she's young.
Yeah, but she's still a bitch.
Tell her she's
Aw.
a prostitute.
Why do you treat
I don't
your-
blame you. She probably will be.
Dude, what the hell?
I was just kidding.
Why the hell do you say that?
Holy
because
shit,
it's
he's the only
true.
one alive.
You always trying to commit suicide. Now everything's mine, bitches.
It's an old-fashioned
The glob blobber.
Glub,
Nessie
glub.
already has that. That's
Yeah.
a piece of crap.
Can we talk about
She's always coming into my room for no freaking reason.
Why?
I don't know.
It's unique.
She claims she has these freaking mood swings all the time. Really hope she's not having a fucking period.
What? She already has her period.
I don't think so. At least I hope not.
Why do you say that?
Because,
Then it gets to puberty and then it's like hell.
yeah.
Hell on earth.
Dude, you'll eventually pass through that.
How convenient.
Shit's
Find out.
no you.
Sad but true.
No.
That's a
You got
metallic
through
song.
God.
Wait, you got through your period, now you're saying every male has it? No, it's just you. Sorry.
No, I'm saying every girl passes through that. In puberty, every boy also passes through that. I don't know what country you live or where do you live.
It's the same in every country, I think. Isn't it?
Yeah, I think
No,
puberty passes through all.
No, Justin Bieber demon.
Just in America, it happens
Justin
earlier.
Justin Bieber is gay.
Justin
Sorry, any
Bieber
friend
is
girl.
not even a man.
I'll probably
He's technically,
I'm probably going to lose 10 subscribers for saying that Justin Bieber is gay.
Who cares? You get like 1 million every day.
No, I have 1,000 and
What's happened? What?
dude, what the hell? What the hell, dudes? Dudes!
what happened?
No stupid.
Dude, what the hell? Why am I shooting this weapon?
Because you is gay.
No, you.
Oh, crap. Wait. I just realized something.
What?
This infernal could
Nessie's gay?
My sister probably heard me saying that she's going to grow up to be a prostitute.
Well,
Dude, what the hell? Why the hell
maybe
did
she'll
you...
shut up and cry.
No, go
Okay.
back, go back,
Okay,
go
okay.
back, go back, go back. The thing's going to die. Someone, Nasty, pick it up, Nasty. What the hell? Why can't I shoot it at Nasty?
You
Nasty,
have to
pick
press R1.
got it.
it. Okay, I died. Don't know why or how.
I caught one.
She probably doesn't even know what a prostitute is.
Susie?
No, she does.
So,
She's 12. I don't think she's retarded.
Yeah. It's true.
Nick's sister.
Yeah, I
Nick's
know.
on sister.
I shouldn't have said that.
If you're on a boat,
Sorry.
if you're on a boat,
I don't think called her a prostitute. You don't have to worry about that.
no, not prostitute, a hoe.
A dog.
Boats and hoes, boats and hoes. Oh, whoa, wait! I
No, like,
got it.
with
Oh,
the A
wait.
and, with
No.
the A and the W.
That.
A dog.
Oh, dude.
Your dog.
No, wait. Nick's on a boat and hose, and you get me. Boats and hoes.
It's hose.
Makes
The
sense.
grenade launcher.
I have the grenade launcher. Oh wait, wrong weapon. Here's the grenade launcher.
Nick, you don't have the grenade launcher?
I do.
Dead. Finish. Oh, it's this
Right.
checkpoint. Okay, we're going to stop here.
Alright.
Why?
I need to go dinner.
Oh, okay.
We already recorded almost an hour today, so it's not bad.
It's like 11 o'clock for you guys, right?
I cry every time.
No, here where I live, it's 9 o'clock.
So yeah,
Oh, really?
here it's 10. Yeah,
Oh.
it's less 1 hour. It's just 4 hours distance between Nick and Cami.